Look at these, aren't they beautiful? We're going to make an Arabian screen here, another variation on the screens. We've got this one I've got as a download with the beautiful flowers on with that lovely kind of marble effect, and I've chosen this large screen here, and I've already cut it out and scored it so that it folds out perfectly. So what we're going to do, well, I've cut everything out ready, so let's hope it all goes well and nothing goes wrong again. Now this, don't forget, you can cut these and score them in any way you want. You can concertina it up like that, or you can just have it just 3 that are straight and bend the others in various ways. You can look at all the different stems that we've got to give you ideas on how to do the screens. So what we're going to do with this one is I've cut out all the flowers and I've put some double-sided pads on the back. Now I'm going to use this as a proper concertina card like that, proper screen. But I've got these beautiful Arabian designs. And what I'm going to try and do with this one is create a kind of a wave effect. I've got the foam pads on the back, and I'm just going to start by sticking these down. So that one's going to go there. Then I'm going to put that one there, like so. And I'm putting all the large ones on first. And just depending on which way the fold goes, like that comes over the top, that's not going to be a problem. If I put it there, then it would be a problem. So I have to have this one overlapping like that. It's that kind of thing, so that they kind of interlock to each other. So you can create as you go along. I'm using all the big ones first, picking all the big ones out. There you go, that's going there. And I've got one more big one here that I think I shall put at the top there, like so. So I'm creating that kind of screen with those beautiful flowers on, like so. And that can still fold. You see, I've made a mistake there. That won't fold over. So you have to make sure that it'll fold as you're creating it. And now that one will fold, like so. Now you can add the other bits and pieces. I've got some slightly smaller ones or slightly bigger ones, whichever way you want to look at it. I'm going to stick that one there maybe, just overlapping. And I've got this one here. I'm going to stick that over the top like that, so it's like a double one. One more here, that can go there like so. And another one here. Where shall I put that? Shall I put it there? It can overlap that way because it's not going to stick out. And then I think I'll put this one right on the top there. I'll just tuck it underneath, I think, so it'll give it a nice, like it's spraying out to the top of the screen. So there's my screen finished. Now you can put a sentiment on here. How unusual and different is that? And look at that, you just stand that up, it will still fold together, and you've got that beautiful screen there with the marble effect flowers going through it. Now that's just one example, a simple way of using the screen. You can download that and do that project if you want to, or you can go and choose. You can choose your own screens, your own backgrounds, your own marble effect flowers, your own different screens. There's lots of different screens. So all you've got to do is have a look in the Arabian section at the projects and just download the one you want, print it out, and you can start making a card just like that.